In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add attachments when emailing invoices from QuickBooks. This straightforward process can really enhance the way you provide information to your clients, making transactions smoother and more professional. So let's dive right in. First and foremost, let's get you signed in. Go to your QuickBooks account and click on the Sign In button. This might seem basic, but ensuring you're logged into the right account is crucial. Now, once you're on the Sign In page, choose QuickBooks Online from the options. This ensures you're heading into the correct service, which is especially important if you use multiple QuickBooks products. Next, it's time to type in your credentials. Enter your username and password and hit the Continue button. Make sure your credentials are correct and that your caps lock isn't on by mistake. Once you're logged in, you'll be on your QuickBooks homepage, ready to create a new invoice. Look to the top left corner of your screen and click on New. This is where you initiate creating a new transaction. Among the options presented, select Invoice as your transaction type. For our demonstration, we are focusing on invoices, which are quite commonly used for billing clients. Now you need to fill in the details of the invoice. Start by selecting the customer you're billing. If it's a new customer, you may need to add them to your customer list first. Then proceed to input other essential details such as the billing period, due date, and any invoice numbers or memos that you typically include. Next, it's time to add the product or service details. This is your opportunity to specify exactly what you are billing for. Enter the item, whether it's hours of labor, specific services or products being sold, and the appropriate amounts for each line. This step ensures clarity for both you and the customer. Now let's business it up by attaching any relevant documents. Scroll to the bottom of the invoice and look for the Attachments section. Click on it and you can upload files directly from your computer or preferred cloud storage service like Google Drive or Dropbox. Whether it's a receipt, a contract, or supporting documentation, you can include it here. Additionally, if you've uploaded the file before and want to reuse it, simply click on the Show Existing option. This lets you choose from files you've uploaded in the past, saving you time and effort. Finally, after everything is set, click on Save and Send. Before you hit that final send button, take a moment to review the email. Check that all the details are correct and that you've attached the right files. Once reviewed, go ahead and send your invoice off with confidence. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily send invoices with attachments using QuickBooks, ensuring your clients have all they need right at their fingertips. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides like this one.